Hello students, welcome to Angstrom Edu, India's best doubt solving app, and today we are going to learn about the topic, the measurement of time. So there are various time measuring devices. For example, we have clocks, then we have second is watches, third we have our electric clocks, then we have quartz crystal clocks, fourth we have quartz crystal clocks, and fifth we have our atomic clocks. So these type of clocks are used to measure the time. So let us study about these clocks one by one. So first is our normal clocks. So these are mechanical devices in which the potential energy given to its spring during its binding is converted into kinetic energy of its moving parts called hand. The ends of its two hands move along a circular path graduated to measure hours and minutes. So mechanical devices, these are mechanical devices in which potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, in which potential energy converts to kinetic energy of moving parts called hands. Moving parts called hands. So the end of hands move in circular path graduated to measure hours and minutes. So these measure hours and minutes only. Second is our watches. So if we talk about watches, then these are also mechanical devices. But these are much smaller in size and more fine in time measurement. So these watches have three hands, to measure hours, minutes and seconds. To measure hours, minutes and seconds. Now our third is our electric clocks. So if we talk about electric clocks, then these run by a fixed frequency alternating current which passes through its synchronous motor. So these are run by a fixed frequency alternating current. Which passes through its synchronous motor. Currents from high frequency electronic oscillators work electronic watches. So currents from high frequency electronic oscillators work electronic watches. Then next is our quartz crystal clock. So a quartz crystal clock controls an electronic oscillator by its own natural frequency. So it controls an electronic oscillator by its own natural frequency. So the current from quartz controlled oscillator works the quartz crystal clocks which have higher accuracy and precision. So these have higher accuracy, and precision. Now our next type of clock is our atomic clock. So next is our atomic clock, which is the most accurate clock. So what is atomic clock? Vibrations of atoms has been utilized for making atomic clocks. So here cesium atom vibrations have been utilized for making atomic clocks, So these atomic vibrations are so steady that the clocks controlled by them hardly show a difference of fraction of seconds over thousands of years. So it is most accurate and precise type of measurement of time, most accurate and precise. So this is all about the measurement of time. Thank you for the session. Happy asking.